met the youngsters one by one, they explained. Now, there is one man still young. I've seen him as a youngster almost 2 decades back. Another man inspired by Guru Kalam and a frequent visitor to him when he was there. He's a chief general manager with BrahMos with multiple tasks. He's spearheading along with his team. So Praveen, it's always a pleasure talking to you. Much before this Atmanirbhar Bharat, Make in India all came, had a long association with the industries, the big and small. It by its own created some kind of an ecosystem. So a quick update on what's happening now. Maybe you could also look at the past, how it was and how things have changed.
Sure. Thank you, Ananta. It's a pleasure talking to you and your team. First of all, I would like to say yes, I am one of the maybe oldest person who is working in BrahMos. I joined in 1999 and I was fortunate enough that my last and final interviews I had met Dr. Kalam at that time and had a number of interactions with him very closely. In fact, in the museum what we made in BrahMos headquarters, we had worked with him very closely, showing him each and everything and getting his approvals for that. Now coming back to BrahMos in Atmanirbhar Bharat, or what we call Make in India. Actually, we are the flag bearers of this. As early as 2001, we have made a team. I was fortunate enough also was part of the team, and we have gone to various industries in different cities, to public, private sectors like L&T, Godrej in Mumbai, then we went to HAL Korva and a number of other places all across India, and we finalized a consortium of industries which would be doing the hand holding of BrahMos in its quest for making the Atmanirbhar Bharat a success. And in today's date we are very, very proud that we are working closely with 205 industries in India which are producing various systems and subsystems and delivering. So with their support, technologies like carbon composite and many other fields which were not available in India, now our industries have got those technologies and they are happily and proudly producing those systems. In today's date, around 60-65% of the BrahMos missile is being produced starting from the material part to the end product, and 100% of the ground systems are being produced in India. So this is, I think, a big achievement, and we are of course proud of it, and our system is not one of the best, it is the best system in the world.
Yes, the best system in the world, everybody knows that. Considering the advanced programs BrahMos are now into, be it the NG or the BrahMos 2, those programs require a different set of technological challenges. Are our industries geared up to support Team BrahMos on that front, or there are some areas of concern, or in your opinion, what are the areas now industry should look as we move ahead with these missions?
Yeah, Ananta, you rightly said that now new technologies have to be developed and new systems have to be produced to enhance the capabilities of systems what we have today. And BrahMos is not sitting idly. We have always worked for R&D phase. In fact, I would like to share that the complete profit what we gain from BrahMos is invested in R&D for developing newer and newer technologies. So we are constantly on job. As you have seen, we have come out of different variants of BrahMos. Then we are working on BrahMos NG. Parallelly, we are working on BrahMos 2K. All these technologies require very high quality of materials, because the main challenge what we are facing is of the tremendous heat which is generated when a system flies at supersonic and hypersonic speeds. So we are working on that, and our industries know that when BrahMos has taken some project, it will yield results for them. We are a proven system, and all our industries are similarly geared up, and together we can achieve all what we are aiming for.
Yeah, so very interesting point what he said is that, BrahMos has always set benchmarks in whatever areas they have, they have got into. So that takes me to the next question to you, Praveen. That is, a lot of talk going around in terms of public, this private participation further needed into the government setup, all that. So BrahMos is doing quite enough. What are the scope now for future for BrahMos to open up the private, the role of private industries in BrahMos? You see a big future, or there are some areas where the private industry can now certainly chip in because of all these new initiatives by the government?
See, what I would like to share here is BrahMos is already working with different industries, and with our help we have been able to provide various technologies to different industries. And these technologies, now those industries are using not only for BrahMos, but for different programs in the defense as well as public sectors. And I think our industries are very smart, and they know if they have to retain their position in the market, or they have to compete with world level companies. So they have to be always polished their skills and their technologies, and they are definitely working towards it.
All right, so I want to just take this opportunity to thank Team BrahMos, because I've seen these guys for ages, several exhibitions across India. The warmth and welcome you get at the BrahMos stall is different. It's so heartwarming. Every one part of the BrahMos team, it's a different kind of mindset. So I want to sign off with that question. What is the magic behind, whether it is missile or whether it is dealing with men or women or the team? There is kuch na kuch hai. What is that? The USP क्या है?
हमारे लिए जो हम काम कर रहे हैं वो हम अपने देश के लिए कर रहे हैं सबसे पहले, और हमें इस काम के ऊपर गर्व है कि हम अपने देश के लिए एक ऐसा सिस्टम दे सके जो कि देश की रक्षा करता है। और देश ही की रक्षा नहीं करता, इसने हमारे देश का नाम पूरी दुनिया में रोशन किया है। और आज आप दुनिया के किसी भी डिफेंस एग्जीबिशन में जाइए, किसी भी कॉन्फ्रेंस में चाहिए जहाँ पे डिफेंस के स्पेशलिस्ट हैं, अगर आप BrahMos बोलेंगे कि आप BrahMos से रिलेटेड हैं, तो आपकी इज्जत 3 गुना बढ़ जाती है। तो ये जो एक फीलिंग आती है ना प्राउडनेस की, ये आपको तभी आ सकती है जब आप अपने देश के लिए काम कर रहे हों। और हम हर एक को अपनी तरह मानते हैं, हमने कभी भी किसी से कुछ छिपाया नहीं। एक BrahMos ही ऐसी कंपनी है जो सब लॉन्चेस दिखाती है, दावा नहीं करती कि हम ये कर देंगे, हम वो कर देंगे। हम पहले करते हैं फिर दिखाते हैं कि देखिए हमने ये कर दिया। सो कर देंगे और कर दिया में जो डिफरेंस है वो बहुत बड़ा है, और वो जो डिफरेंस है वो हम पूरा करते हैं। पहले आप काम कीजिए, फिर आप रिजल्ट दिखाइए।
So inspiring. I think all the youngsters, first get your work done, first hit the target, then talk about it. Very inspiring. Thank you, Praveen. We will keep you on radar. It is always inspiring to chase this missile and chase your team.
Thank you, Ananta. Thank you.
Thank you for watching Tarmac 007. Jai Hind.